Good morning, it's Shena from Grapevine Galleria here in beautiful Westfield, Wisconsin, where the pioneer spirit lives on. So today I'm going to show you something that I think is rather freaky that came into the store, but I could see how a child would really like it, or an adult. I mean, it's neat, but I'm a little creeped out by it. Always the weird things. It's not like the fuzzy doll head that's to hang on your Christmas tree ornament, but watch this. So we have Santa sleeping in a bed. I don't know if you can see. This is the top aerial view. All right, so now this is battery operated. It takes a couple C batteries. Now watch this. So there's Santa sleeping. Whoa, he sits up. All right, and then the dial. He sounds like T-Rex. He's snoring.
Merry Christmas.
Do you think he has sleep apnea?
Merry Christmas.
Oh my goodness. So what do you think of that? I think it's a little much with the snoring. It sounds like it's T-Rex. It's hilarious. So I have that snoring Santa for sale, and so if you want to check him out, stop on in. So he's $12.99, so come on in and check him out. All right. Thanks to the person that brought in the snoring Santa. Thanks for brightening my day. Too funny. The snoring Santa that sounds like T-Rex. Wakes up and says Merry Christmas without even opening his eyes. All right. Shena Collins from Grapevine Galleria here. Just saying hey and sharing with you the unique stuff that comes into the store, the little oddities and the fun things. So that Santa is definitely one. All right. Peace and love, my friends. Have a good day. We're located at 204 South Main Street in Westfield, Wisconsin. Please stop on in, see all of the unique finds that we have, and vintage items and antiques and eclectic type things.